Okay, hello everyone. I am Sapna and I am from Masterclass IELTS. I am here with another video of reading passages, which has become a tedious task for everyone. Students come to me and they ask about true false not given, which is quite difficult to find out, and they always have a confusion between false and not given. So what is the solution? In this video you will find out how to look for the answers in true, false and not given. The tips are already shared in the previous videos. You can go and check through that. Here I would take an example of a reading passage. Suppose I have a reading passage in front of me and I'll solve the reading passage in front of you. Through this video you can find out which is true, which is false and which is not given. What is the difference? How do you find out the answer from this passage? And do watch the whole video. Hit the like button, share it to the maximum and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much.
So here is the reading passage in front of me, and you can see I have taken a reading passage from one of the sources, and the name of the passage is Ancient Societies Classification. So what you need to do is, first of all, you will have this passage in front of you and you will mark the keywords here. The keywords will be like humans, established, societies, history, anthropologists, classify societies, unequal access, then 4 basic types and clans, tribes, chiefdoms, then small scale societies, heads of Tanzania, leaders, economic differences, no marked disparities, then so on. So in this way it will take around 3 to 4 minutes to underline the whole passage, but I am not understanding the meaning of the passage. I am just underlining the keywords. Yes, you need not understand the basic idea behind it. You need to only underline, mark the important words which are according to you the main points of the paragraph. After that you will go to the questions. Now I have questions in front of me which is true, false, not given. True means the statement agrees with the information, false if the statement contradicts the information, and the third one if there is no information, that is not given. I'll again mark this. A little economic difference, tribe grow wide range, one settlement important and tribe, member status chiefdom, and how much land, the people who craft good in chiefdoms. Once it is done, once you have marked the keywords, you will again go to the passage to find out the same words, whether they are same given in the passage or they are similar to it, means the synonyms are given. So what you need to do is, here it is written little economic difference. It means I have to find this word and clan word here, which if I can find out in the reading passage, I'll read the above 2 lines and the below 2 lines. So let's start doing that. I have the passage in front of me, and what I'll do is I'll find out the word like in this way. If I find any one word related to it, small scale societies, then we have clan. I have got the word clan. Then clans lack formal leaders, so there are no marked economic differences. I've also got the word economic differences or disparities in status among the members. So I have got all the words related to it. The first word was little economic difference, and here it is written no marked economic difference. Then I have between the members of a clan, in status among their members. So I have got everything. I have got the words related to it. Now I have got all the words related to it. No marked economic differences means little economic difference. So the answer in this case is similar to the statement given. Therefore, the answer is true. Now going to the next one. The farmers of a tribe grow a wide range of plants. So I'll start reading after this paragraph if I find it, because the answers of true false not given are generally in the serial order. So the farmers, tribe, wide range of plants. I'll look for these words. I'll scan the paragraph. I have got this no marked economic differences here. So after that I'll start reading. So here it is, because clans are composed of mobile groups, then I don't have any kind of word which is related to the farmers or the tribe or the wide range of plants, specific activities carried out, then dwellings or temporary shelter along the debris. Okay, I have got the word. Typically they are settled farmers, but they may be nomadic with a different mobile economy based on the intensive exploitation of livestock. I don't find any word related to tribe or important or grow a wide range of plants. So the answer will be not given. Now moving towards the third question, because I will not waste my time looking for those words which are not there in the passage. I am still looking for that. 29th is, one settlement is more important than any other settlements in a tribe. Now I have to go for settlement and important word and tribe. One more thing. So I look for these words in the paragraph, in the passage, if I can get it. I have got this, the settled farmers, and this is a tribe of the farmers, so that is why it can go accordingly. So typically they are settled farmers, but they may be nomadic, right? So here if I see settlement is there, the tribe is there, so let me see if I can get agriculture, it means related to the farmers. So I'll read this out. Characteristically, no one settlement dominates any of the others in the region. And in the question you was given, one settlement is more important than other settlements in a tribe. It means it contradicts the statement given. So the answer will be false. In this way, you can find out the rest of the questions, and I hope that you have understood how to find out true, false and not given statements according to the passage, and by finding out, by striking out the keywords and then scanning the passage. If you still have any kind of doubt, you can again text me, you can WhatsApp me, the number is already given in the video, and you can contact me for further details. You can also ask and you can solve the other three questions, 31, 32 and 33, and you let me know whether they are true, false or not given. Thank you so much guys, best of luck, do well, and I hope you have understood each and everything related to true, false and not given. Next video would be on the next type of reading passage, so stay tuned and be in touch, be in contact. Thank you guys.